Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI design tools platform, which is Canva and Blaze AI. So they get started with the in-depth features and a review about these two platforms to help you decide which of these AI would be your best choice in 2025. So to get started with the review, Canva is an all-in-one design platform packed with AI features like magic design, magic resize, and AI image generation. It also offers thousands of templates, drag and drop editing, and tools for presentation, social posts, videos, and even website. It's ideal for creators, marketers, and teams who want published, professional visual without needing a design skills. Now, talking about Blaze AI on the other hand, Blaze AI is a mobile-focused AI tool built for rapid social media content creation. It auto-generates posts, captions, and designs based on a brief or URL input. It's great for small business owners or solo creators who want fast handoff content generation and rescheduling, but it's more limited in design control over and customization. And here's a better verdict. So you can easily choose Canva if you need a full creative suite with strong AI tools and flexibility. And on the other hand, you can go with Blaze AI if you want fast, simple social content with a minimal effort. So in the overall conclusion, the Canva went for quality, featured, and control, while Blaze AI is best for quick, no-fill social media automation. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platforms, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.